Well, we're here at Wellington PCYC for the toy ride put on by Central West Riders SMC, Communities for Children in Wellington, and obviously Wellington PCYC. We've had a good turnout. We're probably between, 50 odd bikes. Come down, grab a sausage sandwich, listen to the awesome bikes that are rolling in. Come and check out some of the local bikes that have been ridden today, and just join in a good community event.
Going to be Kelly and Charlie.
On the right, girl?
That's all right. I've got Josh on the back of me, so we'll be behind too.
Righto. What we're going to do is, when we get to Wellington, we're going to pull up at the 80k zone so we can all catch up, and then we all ride in together. Now, for those that don't know where the PCYC is, you go over the bridge, first left, but Wayne will be leading us into there.
At turn left at Ben's Tyres once you've crossed the bridge. So you can't miss it.
On the first page of our story, the future seems so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take them to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Our voices, glasses shattered from the fight. In this tug of war, you always win, even when I'm right. Cause you feed me fables from your head, with violent words and empty threats. And it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Go to a burnout? Yeah. Go on, stretch.
Hey guys, thanks for coming down. Pretty good show. We're going to drop the toys off after the ride, but if they're in the road and anyone wants to drop them off now, just go in there and there's a room in there you can put them in, just to your right. We're leaving in 10 minutes. We'll have a police escort and we'll be following Rachel on the bike, and the other guys are going to stop the highway so we can get on the highway. We're going to try and stay in a pretty good formation all the way up to the Macca's roundabout. We're going to go around the roundabout and come back. And we're going to hopefully keep together. But there's no rush. If someone cuts in front of us, let them go. Okay, I don't want anyone getting run over. It doesn't look good on the, on the news tonight. Yes, and before we go, I want everyone to go over there so we can get a photo. Please.